In today's episode, I will be showing you how to create this eye look using the Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star. So if that's something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer and a little flat brush to prime my eyelids.
Perfect.
Okay, and I'm just going to set it with some translucent powder. I'm taking the JH31 brush. I'm going to use the shade Safe Word, and I'm just going to put this in the inner corner above the crease. And I'm going to bring this high very close to my eyebrow. I'm also going to put this on the outer part of the crease just to deepen it up a little tiny bit. Now taking the shade Charm, I'm going to put it in the inner crease area up to my eyebrow. I'm stopping here in the middle so it doesn't go too much in the outer corner. Bring it all the way up to the eyebrow. Now to deepen that shade a little bit more, I'm going to take the shade Fetish and put that in the same area, in the inner crease, all the way up to the eyebrow. Now I'm taking the JH32 brush and I'm going to use the shade Military to put in my outer corner, and I'm going to really buff that out all the way up to my eyebrow. Make sure you really blend it into this middle part. I like to go back and forth. I'll just take the same brush. I won't pick up any more product, but I'll just put it here to help them transition a little better. And then back to the other brush with Military. Now that I'm done with that part, I'm going to cut my crease using my Wet n Wild concealer. Then taking my JH41 brush, I'm going to take the shade Androgyny, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Then taking my JH31 brush again, I'm going to take the shade Fetish into my inner and upper corner again, just to make it a little more deeper. And again with the JH32, I'm going to take the shade Military and I'm going to blend it in again with the shade Fetish. I'm also going to take the same shade Military and pack it here next to Androgyny, just to get a better blend with those two colors. I'm putting it on the outer part of my lid. So I'm going to do my foundation and then I will be back. Now I'm taking my JH40 Morphe brush and I'm going to take the shade Poison and put that on the bottom lash line. I'm going to bring it in about 3/4 of the way in. I'm going to stop about here. And I'm going to take Androgyny and I'm just going to put that right over Poison to kind of mix it. And I'm going to bring it down a little bit further. And I'm going to bring it out a tiny bit. Line it up with the shade Military from the top. Just a tiny bit. I'm going to take Poison one more time. Place it very close to my lash line. Now I'm going to take the brush JH40. I'm going to use the shade Deja Vu. I'm going to very lightly highlight here. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the shade Frosting and put that. Now taking Deja Vu, I'm going to put that on the inner bottom corner. Now taking my JH39, I'm going to use the shade Frosting and highlight the inner corner. I'm going to bring that up a little bit up here. Now to bronze, I'm using my ABH bronzer in Rosewood. Now to contour, I'm using this shade from my Shade and Light palette. For blush, I'm using my Hourglass blush in Luminous Blush. For highlight, I am using my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated highlighter. This one comes with a little brush, so I'm going to use that partly. I'm going to take this fan brush and use it on top and the sides here. To finish up my eyes, I'm using my Tartiste liquid liner from Tarte. So now I'm going to take the other side. I'm going to do my tight line and the waterline. For lips, I'm going to use my Tarte Lip Paint in Rave. And that's everything. That's everything done. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me first time ever using my Androgyny palette. It was kind of fun. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff that you guys love to do. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye!